Road work ahead. We're turned around and coming back. One lane road ahead, prepare to stop. Now you can see them this way. Up there, working up there. So we made it back to 64. Steve AB4L. Loving how they're working so hard to keep our electricity turned on and reliable. And I mean that. Saying see you at 73.